Hello everyone. Here we are in tawag dito, Hanging Bridge of Lupaan. Yan. First time kong gumala dito at pumunta rito. So ito pala yung daanan papunta sa housing. So merong dam dito na ginawa sila oh. Yan, dam. Bed, kaway ka bed. Bed. Kaway ba, kaway? Yan, si David. Si David. Ay, bakit baliktad? Lapad pala nito guys, oh.